Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you're new here. My name is Rosalie and today I'm going to be showing you guys everything that I bought at the mall. I did a little bit of retail therapy. Let me just go ahead and show you everything that I bought. Let's just go. Spring is here. I'm ready for all the spring colors, the clothing, the fashion, everything. So let's get started. I'm going to start this haul by showing you the one thing I ordered online. I really wanted a skirt that looked like a skirt but was a skirt, so I got this one on Princess Polly and it is so cute, you guys. And the back is of course shorts because it's a skirt, and I just love that it looks like a normal skirt in the front, but it's not. It's pretty much short, and I think it's so cute and it's going to be so perfect for spring and summer. So I also wanted to share some of the things that I bought at Disneyland recently. I don't always share this stuff because I only get like one thing here and there, but I have 3 things to share with you guys today. I have an annual pass, so I go pretty frequently, which means that I buy a lot of stuff pretty frequently. So I just want to show you guys what I got. First off, I have been wanting this Mickey Mouse conductor hat for the longest time, probably like a few years, and I just like have never bought it, and then it was sold out quite literally for like the longest time. So I finally saw it back and I was like, you know what? This is my chance. I'm just gonna get it. So I got it. And actually my fiance bought this for me, but shout out to him. Isn't it so cute? I'm obsessed. I can't wait to like take pictures in it. You can only get this at Disney's California Adventure, by the way. Then I ended up picking up another pair of ears. I got these. I have a bunch that I got from Tokyo Disneyland that like I'm obsessed with, but I noticed that I didn't have a blue color. So when these came out, I knew that I was gonna get them because this is the color that I was lacking, and look at how cute. Stop. Look how cute they are. These are actually made by Loungefly, which means that they're just a little bit of higher quality than the regular Disney park ears. But I think these were like $30. So pretty, like this color, come on. And then just the other day, on Monday, I went to Downtown Disney. And I only went to Downtown Disney. I walked into World of Disney and I picked up this cutie shirt. Like, are you joking? I love that they're starting to bring back the embroidery type of styles. I have noticed that a lot lately, but pretty much it's just the Fab 5, I think. So the Sensational 6 actually. But I just think this is so cute. It gives like vintage vibes and I love that. So I can't wait to style this when I go to the parks. Obsessed. Okay, now let's actually get started with the stuff that I bought at the mall. So from Free People Movement, I picked up one thing and it was just these shorts. They kind of have like a little flare at the sides here on each side with a pocket. I don't know what these are called, but this is in the color Cloudy Waters, and they're just like so cute for my little afternoon walks. So yeah. Then I went to Aerie twice because I'm just psychotic, I guess. I picked up a few lounge pieces and pieces that I could kind of incorporate into my summer wardrobe. I'm sorry, look at my cat. He's so handsome. So I picked up some of these tank tops. So I'm really into this color for some reason. I don't know. It's just like, I guess I really liked it. So I picked up this tank top. It's just a basic kind of high neck tank. I also picked it up in brown because I just love brown so much. So this is what it looks like. These were on sale. I think they were like half off. And then I picked up a pair of shorts, which I found on clearance. I think these ended up being like 10 bucks or something. Yeah, $12. So love these. Wear these all the time when I'm lounging at home. So great find. Okay, so then the second time I went to Aerie, I picked up this kind of tan-ish colored sweater. I just really loved the way that it kind of laid on my body. I thought it fit really, really nicely. And it's cropped and it's got like this really flattering scoop neck. So I got this to kind of wear in the spring because it's still a little bit cold in the spring, like it will rain on occasion. So got that. I got the shorts the first time I went, but then I found the sweatpants were also on sale or on clearance. So I picked them up. They were like 15 bucks. They're super soft and just so cozy and loungy, and I just love a good pair of sweatpants. So I got these as well. Okay, so from Nordstrom, I picked up one thing. I have been dying to try the Skims bodysuit, the one that went viral, the one that like really snatches you up. I just like couldn't justify spending like $80 on it, but then I had a Nordstrom note, so I was like, you know what, we're doing it. So I went to Nordstrom and I picked it up. This is the scoop neck thong bodysuit solution wear. I don't know what that means, but yeah. So when I probably should have got a small. I'm looking at the size chart on the back. I got it in a medium. I mean, I can always exchange it, but yeah. And I got it in the like skin tone color. I don't know exact, the color is sienna. So that's what it looks like. Cannot wait to wear this under my clothes and under dresses because I want to look snatched. Okay, and then I walked into Forever 21 because they were having a sale. I didn't get any clothes or anything, but I did find some good jewelry pieces. So I am going to a birthday party this weekend, and it's a formal one. It's a quinceañera, and I already got a dress, but I just like lacked in the jewelry department when it came to like formal event type jewelry. So I got this little necklace to wear with my dress. I think it's gonna be so cute. I picked up these earrings, which I think are gonna be so pretty. They're like so sparkly and they're a chunky square. Like, yes, love. So that's all I got from Forever 21, and I'm pretty sure these pieces were on some kind of sale. They were 40% off, so can't beat that. The last place I have stuff from is Abercrombie & Fitch. I love me some Abercrombie. I used to work for them. I'm just like, have always been an Abercrombie fan, okay? Love them. So first I picked up this midi skirt, denim skirt. Okay, I've wanted a skirt like this for so long, and I was gonna get the one from Aritzia, but the one from Aritzia is like over $100, and I just wasn't sure if I wanted to spend that much money on something so trendy. So I waited for the one at Abercrombie to go on sale. It finally did, so I got it. I can't wait to wear this in the spring and summer. It's gonna be so cute. And then the last thing I picked up at Abercrombie, I'm still unsure about this. I might return this. I feel like I don't really need this, and I thought it was on sale, but it wasn't, so it was kind of expensive. But it's this vest, sweater vest. It's like a chunky vest. It's actually really, really soft, and I thought it was on clearance. That's why I bought it, but apparently it's not, so I don't know. I might return it. I don't really need it. So yeah, that's it. That is my entire haul. I really hope you guys have enjoyed watching my video. Everything that I mentioned will be linked down below. If I can find something similar to everything, I'll link it as well, but I'll try my best to find the exact items for you guys. But that's it. Hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to follow me on my Instagram. That will also be linked below, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!